Okay, so for all the sections in this chapter, what you want to do is look in the textbook here. I've got a copy of it opened up right here. And you look at the sections and they have these nice little blue boxes with drawings next to them. So for the hyperbolas, there's that. They do the same thing with ellipses, same thing as parabolas. Okay, so I mean, I encourage you to look at that as you're working through the work. Okay, so for this question here, I know there's the vertices are on the y-axis, aren't they? See the way it has plus or minus 10. So I know this hyperbola comes that low and that high, and that's at 0, -10, and 0, +10. And then to get the sketch here, I know that the asymptotes look something like this. Now, I don't have this exactly right, and it's not drawn to scale, but so that tells me I know this graph is going to look something like this. Now I just got to figure out the part so that here, can I do this here? I see my drawings up off, but that's okay. So they're telling me, so if I look at so that's the focal axis is the y-axis. So that's this situation. So I know that 5/4 is the same thing as A/B. And since they're telling me that the vertex is also 10, and let's see, what are they telling me? I know that A is the vertice, right? So I know this is going to be 5/4 equals 10/B. So to find B, well, now it's just a proportion. What's that? 40 divided by 5. So B equals 8. So that's how we can find B. And now to write the equation, what else do we need to do? Well, let's see. We know A is what? We know A is 10. We know A is 10, and we know B equals 8. So we'll do y squared over 100 minus x squared over 64, because we're squaring it, right? That's what it says to do, equals 1. So you see how easy that is? Just look at what they're giving you, figure out what part of the formula it is, and then you just plug it in. Okay, hopefully that helps you out. And that's the same for ellipses, same for parabolas. You know, you can do all of this without really knowing what's going on too much. I mean, a little bit. You got to know what a hyperbola looks like, and an ellipse looks like, and a parabola looks like. But okay, hopefully this helps you out.